Dí gutach duine táid ar an Dardine inniu. We had Monday, Tuesday. We didn't do Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So we're on Thursday today. Táid ar lehanach a chuige agus táid just ag déanamh piece of obair mariall ar aimseáteach Saint Rostanach. Alright, so seo iad na bríthreat rialta. So these are the ones that follow the rules, okay? So you've got your ein siúlach, your first syllable of one, so an céad réimniú agus an dar réimniú an seo, okay? So glan mé, so I will clean amárach, thug mé, thugig mé, bhris mé, brisig mé, chur mé, curthig mé, dan mé, that's I stayed, I will stay, dan fanhig mé, dol mé, I drank, I will drink. And over here we have ceannig mé, so I bought, gúisig mé, I woke up, dulvig mé, so I prepared, so that obviously is I will prepare. And then dairig, I got up, iroig, I will get up. Gaeilge, that means I fled, really. And then éileoig me, I will flee. And creaachnig, I finished, and then I will finish creaachnoig. Okay, so we'll just have a look at some of the questions down here. Okay, so it says cur isteach an aimsir ceart. So it says put them in the right tense. But the key, guys, is looking at the end of the sentence. So we have an yé, amárach, and yé. So that tells you. So in yé is yesterday. So I will say dan no fannig. So the answer is dan gordo savalia in yé. So dan is the aimsir catcha. The next one. Chur no churhig níl an litter sa fuist amárach. So amárach is tomorrow. So it would be churhig, and so on and so on. I'm not going to do any more of it for you. You'd be grand. You'll give it a go. Then creaachnig na habertí, you just have to put the right verb in the right sentence. So we have glan, dol, valig, iroig, vrishig, and fanhig. So this is in the past tense. Cleaned, drank, collected, will get up, will break, will wait. All right, so I'll just read down it. I'll go blank an Colleen go muck margin amárach. So girl got up early in the morning. An bhúc blank an búcail on board in yé, blank an múntóir an choplar in yé, blank na páistí sa bhaile amárach, blank an fermior glina vanya in yé, blank an gadi. A gadi is a thief. An inog amárach. Okay, so I'm going to let you do that away, guys. Page 50. This week we're jumping around a bit. We're doing little bits here and there. So off you go, guys.